Gmail. Many of us, if not most of us, use it. But to use it, you usually have to be online. What happens if you get an important email and you want to save it, and you might have to access that email when you're not online? So how do you do that? Let me show you how that's done. Open your Gmail account, find that email that you want to save and be able to access when you're not online. Go to the top where the three-dot menu is, and here you'll find Download Message. Select that. It will do a download for you. Save it. Once the download is finished, let's go to the download itself. Do a right click on the download, and from here you can select Open With, and it will open with Microsoft Mail, Outlook, or another app. But the easiest is just to say Mail, and as you can see here, the Windows Mail app has opened, and there is that email that I saved from Gmail. And this I can open at any time, even when I'm not on the internet. So I'll always be able to get to those emails that might be important and I might have to reach even though I'm not on the internet. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.